Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make a meat roll Italian style, made in Napoli. So stay tuned. It's time to grill. So the first tool we need is our Tatanka American steak hammer. You might have seen that in my chicken saltimbocca stick video. Really a great tool to flatten your meat. This is German meat from Green Ox, one of my favorite online butcheries, and in German you call this one Roulade. Roulade is a basic German dish regularly, which will be filled and stuffed with bacon and mustard and pickles and stuff like that, onions, and then we're gonna throw this into a Dutch oven or camp oven or something like that. So I got the idea of making an Italian version today. So there are several recipes out there for Napoli style meat rolls, and I'm gonna give these a shot today. So first of all, you get the meat, which is already really thin, but if you want to beat it a little bit more, it can be done a little bit thinner as well, so you are able to stuff this one really easy and roll it up and fix it with toothpicks or skewers also, and then you will throw this into your pot. So that's it. We have prepared some roasted pine nuts here, approximately 200 grams or so, a whole package of pine nuts, and we're gonna smash this one here and just break it so a little bit smaller, and they will stick to the mustard that we will put on our beef right now. So here's the mustard. A thin layer of mustard works fine here, and then we're gonna add the pine nuts and some salt and pepper. This is Terrano sea salt, one of my own mixtures that's Mediterranean style. That's perfect for this meat and this dish today. The next ingredients we will have to add are raisins. So these small things, and they give it a little bit of sweetness here, and then we add some Italian bacon, Italian ham. In this case, this one is called Coppa, and we're gonna need about 3 slices, and then we're gonna roll it up. So this one for me already looks very delicious, and the last step is we're gonna close this one, and you can now use some toothpicks or some small skewers like so, and you close it from both sides. So we have prepared about 4 or 5 from these one, and we're gonna add some vegetable oil to our Dutch oven today. I've put it on the gas grill, and we're gonna heat up the oil, and then we're gonna add these. We're gonna sizzle that and give it a little bit of a color before we close the lid, add some liquids and the other ingredients, and then this might take a total cooking time of about 2 hours. So as mentioned in the beginning, these dishes are traditional for Germany and for European as well, so that's the Italian version. I haven't made a video about the German version yet, but maybe I will make this one soon. Just let me know if you are interested in some more versions of dishes like that, and I will show you. So after we're gonna heat it up a little bit, we're gonna give them a twist, and after giving a twist, we're gonna add the additional ingredients you need for the cooking time, which are 1 big sliced onion. We're gonna need the rest of the pine nuts, some more raisins for adding sweetness to the sauce, and then we're gonna need some liquid. We use Italian red wine. This is a Montepulciano, perfect combination for this Italian dish, and we're gonna need about half a liter. Make sure to watch the liquid and the amount in your pot while cooking, you may add some more. After 2 hours our dish looks like so. I have already taken out one of these for the final shot and for the preparation. You can see they're really tender and everything falls apart, and it's the sauce is really nice, a nice flavor, and I will leave you with the original footage. Alright folks, now we're gonna give this short comment on these Italian meat rolls here. They are a little bit dry in the middle. That could be better a little bit. Maybe we should add something more in the middle with additional liquid or anything like that, like a pickle or so, which are in general part of the middle if you do the German version of that. Anyway, the flavor is good. I like the Coppa, the Italian pork, the Italian ham. It's really great. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We're seeing us again in the upcoming next. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.